Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another quick unboxing and quick review of the Bykski 240mm AIO integrated CPU cooler with ARGB. So stick around, let's have a review on this thing. But first, before the unboxing, I just want to show you my test system. And here I'm using the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. And let's check first the temperature of the CPU using the stock cooler. Alright? Okay, let's check the temperature of the Ryzen 5 2600. Here on the HW monitor, ideal, the temperature is 43 degrees Celsius. And then, we'll be running the Prime 95. It's a CPU stress testing. I will be selecting the second option for maximum power heat CPU stress and click OK. And there you go, the Prime 95 just started. As you can see, the CPU usage go wild at 100%. Maybe I'll be running this one for at least 10 minutes. So it's 5:18 on the clock.
A few moments later.
As you can see guys, for only 2 minutes my temperature went up to 81 degrees Celsius. And I think I need to stop this right now, and we already knew that temperature is really high using this stock cooler. Alright? So now we can start the unboxing because we already knew that the stock AMD CPU cooler is really hot in full load. So upgrading to an AIO might help. Let's see. Actually, the packaging is not really that secure that we have. So we have two ARGB fans. Yeah, 1, 2, the 120mm fans. So we got the manual, and here we got the mounting for AMD and Intel bracket. It also comes with a pre-thermal grease or thermal paste. And this one also comes with an ARGB controller. So if your motherboard don't have an ARGB controller, you can still use the ARGB lightings. So this one is powered by Molex and the AIO system itself. So as you can see guys, the plate is copper. I think before this one is nickel plated, but this time guys, it's just a pure copper plate. And they do have the CPU 4-pin splitter for the fans. Let's do the installation. I'm sorry for Intel fans because I don't have a Intel CPU here to test the mounting bracket, but I don't think Intel really needs an AIO because unlike AMD, Intel is so much cooler, right? But of course, for aesthetics, So now everything looks ready, and let's fire this thing up. Here in the HW monitor, it recorded at 36 degrees Celsius, the lowest. And now we need to run the Prime 95 again to check if this one really cool your system in full load. So I will choose the second one again and start and click OK. And then as you can see, it's 6:10 p.m. started. Let's see how the temperature goes. Now it's going up 59 from 36 to 60 in just a couple of seconds. The fans are so neat and nice. Interesting that 3 minutes already passed and my temperature is still on 62 degrees Celsius. A while ago, using the stock cooler, in 3 minutes it went up to 82. So 20 degrees Celsius difference. And I think guys, this AIO really do a great job on keeping this CPU really cool. I mean, it's not really going up. 5 minutes, still on 62. I think this Bykski 240mm cooler is really amazing. I do really recommend this cooler, guys, especially for AMD system. Wow. Temperature is not really moving, guys. This is a superb cooler. While ago, using the stock, it's still going up on 82 degrees Celsius, but I already stopped it because I don't want my chip to get burned. I don't want to risk my chip for the sake of this test. But I knew it's still going up on that 82 degrees Celsius. But this one, almost 10 minutes in full load. This one is amazing. And I think guys, that's it for now, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the temperature that we are seeing right now. And if you like this video guys, and if you like this Bykski 240mm AIO cooler, please click the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all guys in my next video.